Dodson Creek, Dowson, Lac La Belle, Axonia, Ashland. Has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Windpoint, Wisconsin. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles west of Bayside to 7 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse. 26 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving north at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.